What if you make a mistake on stage during a program delivery? MC is expected not to make any mistakes during program delivery. Ideally, there should be no failures that would affect the audience and also the event objectives. But what if that happened? What if the MC made a mistake? You're watching MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. Don't forget to watch until the end and like this video. Also, subscribe to MC Bali channel. Even Steve Harvey, a famous American MC, a radio and TV personality, made his huge famous mistakes in 2015. He made his famous failure when he wrongly announced Miss Colombia as Miss Universe winner, where it should have been Miss Philippines.
Miss Universe 2015 is Colombia! Okay, folks. I have to apologize. The first runner-up is Colombia. Miss Universe 2015 is Philippines. I will take responsibility for this. It was my mistake. It was on the card. Horrible mistake, but the right thing, I can show it to you right here. The first runner-up is Colombia. It is my mistake.
He had the correct information on the cue card. But why he made this famous mischief? What happened? He's so experienced, so confident, so good at presenting or delivering programs. Perhaps he did not read it carefully. Perhaps the text was too small. Perhaps he was distracted by an incident on the stage monitor. I don't know. But the mistake happened. What we can learn from Steve Harvey is, if we made a mistake on stage, admit it, apologize. After the massive mistake, Steve Harvey quickly returned on stage just a few minutes after that incident, and he apologized. He announced it was a mistake and it was his fault. He deeply and sincerely apologized. It worked because in the next years, he was still MCing, especially for Miss Universe pageant. He's still a big name until today. Steve Harvey said, "When you make a mistake, get up and keep going." Indeed, we are human. There is a big possibility that we could make a mistake. We're not perfect. However, we need to put extra attention on the details, especially if it is an important event, an important announcement. We need to give our extra effort in practicing the script and knowing all the details. We need to learn the run of the show, all of the flow of the event. If we have doubt, like during the show itself, when we are about to go to the stage, we need to ask clarification or ask the details to the stage manager or even the show director. Lesson learned. We have to give our extra attention, put more focus on names, titles, information related to announcement, especially if it is an award. Let me know your comments or your feedback on how to get back on track after falling off the wagon. Good luck for your future events. Thank you very much for watching MC Bali channel. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. Stay safe, healthy, and happy.